Welcome back, YouTube, for another update in the master bath. Just coming in here to show you what's going on. As you can see, the floor is grouted. I think that was last time, but the final look of what it looks like in the shower. It's not been grouted in here yet, but tile is installed on the wall. You get a sense for what it looks like. Of course, once it's grouted, it'll be cleaned and sealed, which will make it a little darker, but it's got a lovely effect. Grays and blacks. It's a nice, very natural looking material that changes quite a bit. That's what it looks like with the niches. Looks very dark in here on camera, but in reality it's not that bad actually. It's pretty nice. So excited to see how this turns out with the finished grout and sealing, and obviously I think it should lighten it up a bit when I start putting on the brushed nickel hardware for everything. So we will see. All right. Just gonna pan around here. That's one of the orifices for the body jets on the wall. Coming back around here, just another shot of the ledge material, which is very similar in color, as you can see over in the bottom right hand corner of the frame for the floor that's in, throughout the bathrooms. Really nice curves. Anyway, that's what we got going on here, and I believe the fixtures are on site or ready to go for actually putting the tub and toilet and everything like that in here as soon as we get the rest of the stuff tidied up. So that's that.